Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Right then, we are still at this garden wall slabbing job, so I'll just get you updated what we are up to now. We are putting the porcelain slabs down. They're good size. They're 1200 by 600, 20mm thick, as you can see. We're getting all the outline done first so we can work back to the wall. So that'll be the job today. So then tomorrow we can actually walk on them. We're using these wedges to level them up. Leveling up wedges. These things here. They basically they sit on the slab like so. If I show you that, sit like that. And you put the other slab up to them, and then that, if you see, goes up like that, and it levels it all up. So it basically ends up perfect. It's a really nice, neat job. 5mm spacers with these, and it's absolutely baking today. So yeah, oh yeah, another thing. Them copings came. So that's all done. Nice little wall there. It's perfect height to sit on. Not yet because the copings are still a bit wet. So yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll put you on time lapse and get some footage that way. So we'll see you soon. Right, today we're going to be cracking on with the slabbing. So yeah, Keen's mixing up. He's doing the wash stand concrete and sand, or sharp sand, however you want to do it. 4 and 1. So that's 4 sand to 1 cement. Yeah, and then we'll take you around here and we will show you what we are cutting these beauties with. We just invested in that. Yeah, so that's how we're getting through these cuts. It's meaty slabs, and with this, let me just show you. What you do is it plugged in? Yeah. If you look at that, water suppressant. It's always a good trick with that. Take your time. Don't push it, otherwise you will chip these slabs. Porcelain are not forgiving, so you just need to really take your time. So yeah, well, what we'll do, we'll get settled properly, and then I'll get back to you.
Well, afternoon guys, we're just finishing off this slabbing job now. So we've had a good wash down. All the old material's gone now, so the only thing we're waiting on is the skip to go. That is pretty full, so
We've just jet washed all this block paving down out front. The two dryers are nice and clean now. The gate that Steve's fitted is all finished. Nice block on there. We've got that there. Customers stained it all, so that's that done. Lads, as you can see, are just jet washing, cleaning all around the slabs that was rolling out. All the grouting's done, so that's looking nice and smart now. Wall's done, there's key lock holding a brush. So yeah, I'll just show you around here. Customers put this up overnight. That's the wall done. A little wall so they can sit on. Perfect height. Oh, wet bum now, great. Yeah, job's a good one. So that is that job, all complete now. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.